Welcome to my channel, people. I should let you know first that English is not really my native language, so I'd like to share you a few results benchmarking SSDs versus hard drives on the Power Mac G5. First test is a single SSD that I took from an old MacBook Pro from the first model, Core Duo 17-inch, and I restored the system image in it and I ran the tests. As you can see, it's very slow. And I'm sorry for the encoding problems. It's a problem with VLC and I don't want to use any demo application that has some stupid watermark on top of it. The laptop hard drive is not a good performer as expected. For 3 of the tests I used the same system image and I restored it from a FireWire hard drive, but for the hard drive RAID configuration I already had the 2 drives with the OS installed, so I just took them away from my USB enclosure, put them inside the computer and then I ran the test. Using internal dual 7200 RPM is really nice, and I actually don't see so much benefit in using SSDs in these machines. The performance of the hard drives is very close, except in random reads, and the cost of the SSDs and the rarity of the SATA 2 SSDs may make it easier and cheaper to just run dual internal hard drives. The biggest advantage of the SSDs is the silence, and my G5 is extremely quiet when running SSDs. At the moment, I use, in production, I use one of the SSDs with macOS. Dual boot, I have a partition with Leopard and one with Tiger, and the other SSD is running Debian Linux. Here I've already connected the computer, both SSDs, but only one has a partition, so in the first test only one is used. As you can see in the screenshots, they are quite bad, but it's possible to understand what's going on. A single SSD is a very strong performer in this machine, and if you want to have one SSD with the system and another really large hard drive with your applications, you may even get rid of external enclosures depending on what you do with your machine. The SSD RAID is extremely fast, and in this machine almost everything opens instantly. Really, click and go. if you still use your G5 as a production machine, it's an interesting investment, and I think that there's plenty of life left on those machines to do serious work. And if you have been using them for almost 10 years now, your cost per year is very low and a great deal. If you need to run recent software and productivity software, or even photo editors or video editors, there are a few options available for Linux. You can have a look and try. I will make some videos about using Linux as a production environment for these machines later on.